Hello, eighth graders. Welcome to U.S. History. I'm putting this in the classroom of any of you that were missing from class on Monday, October 12, or Tuesday, October 13. All right, so welcome to class today. For those of you that have class on Monday, I'm posting this a little bit late in the day, but you'll find out why I had to wait before I could post it. But anyway, before we got started with reviewing for our testing class, we talked about two kind of big current events that are happening today, Monday the 12th. First of all, it is Columbus Day here in the United States. And the last couple of days, we've been debating if we should celebrate it or not. We've been looking at that debate. There are some people that say, no, we shouldn't celebrate it, and other people that say, yes, we should. And we've looked at both sides of the coin on that one. As you know, back in 1990, George Mickelson declared this day as Native Americans Day here in South Dakota. And normally, when it's not COVID season, there is a parade downtown in Sioux Falls of people in traditional Native American dress, playing traditional Native American music, just celebrating that culture. So today is Native Americans Day. So happy Native Americans Day to you. The other big thing that is happening in the United States today is it is the first day of the confirmation of a new Supreme Court justice. I'd like to show you something here. Here is a picture of the 8 current justices of the Supreme Court. This one, the 9th seat, is currently vacant because earlier this fall, Ruth Bader Ginsburg died. When you are nominated to the court, you serve a life sentence. So you either retire or you die before your seat comes available. So she passed away, and that means we have to pick a new Supreme Court justice so that we have a court of 9. The job is given to the president. The president picks who they'd like to serve in that case, and then the Senate has to say, yes, we agree with the president, or no, we don't. So President Trump has selected Amy Coney Barrett as his nomination. And today starts with her hearing in front of the Judiciary Committee of the Senate. So she is going to give a little testimony of who she is today. The people on the Judiciary Committee are all giving a little kind of introduction today too. It actually streamed all day on many news outlets. We did not watch the whole hearing, but this is Fox News's clip of just her 10-minute introduction of herself. So the very first thing that I'd like you to do is watch her introduce herself. She's going to introduce her family and talk about her upbringing and kind of what she feels is her role on the court. And so I would like you to watch that, her introduction speech as she begins the hearing process this week. So first you're going to watch her opening statement and jot down 5 things that you learn about this Supreme Court Justice nominee. Then you're going to watch the video of today's current events, okay? And of course, it starts off with information about this hearing, but then it goes into Hurricane Delta. The poor Louisiana coast got nailed again with another hurricane. So watch that carefully. And as you watch today's current events, could you also jot down 5 things that you learned about today's current events? So you're going to take the 5 things you learn about the Supreme Court Justice nominee and the 5 things that you learned about today's current events, and you're going to email those 10 facts to me. So that kind of covers the discussion that we had as a class. Then I've attached a filled out study guide for you. So if you could please take some time to check your answers. You've been working on the study guide and it's all filled out. Check your answers next to mine. Please change or update tweak your answers so that you have a very good study tool. Then you can spend some time studying, and you can pick how you'd like to do that. Have a parent partner quiz you, FaceTime with a friend, create a Quizlet, whatever works best to you, but make sure you spend some time studying. We played trash ball as normal, but you can find whatever you'd like to do to study so that you are prepared. If you are in period 3 or 6, your test will be on Wednesday. If you are in period 2 or 5, your test will be on Thursday. I will plan on a Google Meet with you at 2:15 on the day of your test. So I'll just see you guys on the screen, and I will monitor you taking the test. So I will get a test to you. I'll email it to your parents, and then you'll clear your desk of everything and then take the test while I'm watching you. That way, if you have a question, you can ask. So step 7 of today's thing says, please email me making sure that 2:15 works for you. So it'll be 2:15 for period 3 and 6 on Wednesday, 2:15 on Thursday for period 2 and 5. If you have any questions, email me those questions, or we can set up a Google Meet to talk about those questions. But I will plan on doing a test with you at 2:15 on the day that you're supposed to take it. All right. As with always, please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them for you. All right. Thanks, Chargers. Have a great day. It's a beauty one out there. Praise the Lord for his goodness to us this fall with such beautiful weather. And I pray that you're back with us soon. Thanks, Chargers.